Watch this video to learn what tags are, how to use them, and the benefits of using them. What are tags? Tags are like keywords in email marketing that are used to label recipients. Tags can be based on buying behavior, interests, or other key data. When a recipient is tagged, certain terms are simply assigned to them. What are the benefits of tagging? In email marketing, tags help you get to know your recipients better. The more tags you apply to a recipient record, the more you know about your recipients and their interests, and the more personalized emails you can send them. This results in the following advantages. Send more relevant emails, because they are tailored to interests. Higher interest results in better open rates. Customized offers also result in higher click-through rates. This increases the conversion rate. This means your recipients only receive emails that are relevant to them, and you get high open, click-through, and conversion rates. How can I set tags? With Cleverreach, tags can be added either manually or automatically. To add tags manually, go to each recipient and enter the tag you want to add. The editor allows you to specify that recipients who click on a link are tagged. When the customer clicks on this link, the tag is assigned. This allows you to analyze who is interested in certain offers. Based on this, you can segment your list or use automated campaigns to send customers a thematically relevant follow-up email. Tags can also be assigned automatically in your Thea campaign. This is always useful when you want to track the behavior of your readers and react accordingly. Now you will see the Edit Data module that follows the recipient activity in an email module. Here you can label customers who clicked on a link to download an ebook, or you can promote similar products. Once you have connected Cleverreach to your online store through one of our plugins, your customers will also receive tags. This allows you to send emails based on their buying behavior. These are your advantages of tags. Each recipient is seen individually. Your message becomes more personalized as more tags are attached to a recipient. The targeted approach reduces email waste. Recipients can be easily resegmented with the help of the tags. By using tag triggers in email automation, the recipients themselves trigger your automation workflows. This is not only saving time, but also increases your sales. You can find more information about tags in our Help Center.